Hey guys, this is Jonathan Sexton from Character Red. A little bit about ourselves and what we do is Character Red is founded by two active duty Marines. So we definitely try to do a lot with the military as far as going away gifts. We're down in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. So we've been doing a lot of United States flags, military flags, things like that. So I wanted to start making YouTube videos to kind of, I've had a lot of friends that ask me, hey, what technique did you use or what tool did you use for this specific, style that you made for your flag or for a piece of furniture or something like that. And a lot of people, they've got the idea down, but they don't really have the technique or the experience, and maybe that's something that these videos could show them or show you guys. Some things that I really want to discuss earlier on in the videos is safety, some of the things that you're going to need, what you would need in order to start woodworking, just a couple of examples like a workbench, good surface that you want to work on, things like that. But I'm going to get to that in probably my next video. I really am going to do some tool reviews. That way, if you're looking for a specific tool or you're looking for a specific function, maybe I've used a tool in the past and I can tell you which tool brands that I like. I'm kind of all over the place when it comes to tools. I don't really back any particular tool brand. There are some tools from brands that I'll never buy again, but it's just going to be me and my personal opinion with 5 plus years of actually doing this as a hobby and also as a small business. But I'm also going to go into some woodworking techniques, show you guys how to apply stain, show you guys how to actually make one of the American flags that we make, or any other custom orders that we might get. Obviously show the products and pages of people that might, back the channel. And I want to eventually get to the point to where I can do some giveaways for you guys. Share the video, subscribe, like, and then you'll be entered in a drawing to get one of our custom pieces, maybe a half flag or a full flag, depends. But that's just a little bit about us, a little bit about Character Red. Remember, like this video, subscribe down at the bottom, just click that little bell, and you'll be able to stay tuned and see more from us. All right, thanks guys.